Hello, investors. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. We are happy to bring you the top five stories that are moving the market at this time. The US stock market is not yet closed, yes, but we want to bring you up to date. Sharing with you the top five stories that are moving the market. If you love this video and every video that we're making, please subscribe to our channel, put on the notification button so that you don't miss the update for tomorrow. So, firstly, MicroStrategy has just announced that they've acquired extra 15,350 more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is the single largest holder of Bitcoin as an entity, as a corporate entity. MicroStrategy now has about 439,000 Bitcoin. The company single handedly now owns about 2.1% of the total 21 million Bitcoin that will be in supply in the future. The company's Bitcoin is now worth about $45 billion, and the latest acquisition is actually showing that MicroStrategy seems to be the only company that is very, very much bullish about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has now moved far ahead of the all-time high price. Year to date, MSTR MicroStrategy stock has been surging. Uh, you know, Year to date is now about 536% year to date. Also today, we heard the news that SoftBank owner Masayoshi Son, met with Donald Trump, President Donald Trump, President-elect, and he has pledged about 100 billion investment in the U.S. This investment majorly is, tailored to actually generate about 100,000 jobs in the US, focus on artificial intelligence and also data center infrastructure that will power AI services and companies using AI. Just to let you know, MicroStrategy, SoftBank is actually the largest, investor or shareholder in ARM, which is one of the companies that we're going to talk about going forward. Year to date on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, SoftBank has been up by about 55%. Apple is also coming up with a big banger, which is more or less like a scoop. Today, Financial Times actually released the news that Apple is aiming to launch its own foldable device. Apple is also looking to develop this device. It's going to be about 19-inch screen. It's going to actually have a larger screen than the current 16 Pro Max. Apple is likely to release this by 2026, but there is the rumor that Apple can actually speed up, the release of this phone. Year to date, Apple is up by 35%. I personally own Apple in my portfolio. And on another note, ARM, which I spoke about the other time, and Qualcomm, they've actually started their legal tussle. There's been a contract dispute between these two companies. The two companies are accusing themselves of deception, gagging competition or gagging the ecosystem. The two of them are actually clashing over license agreements that ARM intellectual property that Qualcomm actually acquired in in 2021 worth about 1.4 billion. ARM is of the notion that Qualcomm is actually breaching the contract. But if you look at the stock of both companies, ARM pulled back around 3% today on the news. Um, you know, Qualcomm around minus 1%. But year to date, ARM still seems to be holding, and posting a very strong return. Google is actually planning to, launch their own video module. So if you remember early this year, um, ChatGPT's maker, OpenAI, actually announced Sora, which is more or less like a text to video model that allows people to generate video from any text or any content that you already have. So Google is actually looking to actually target and compete head on with Sora's offering. year to date, Google has been up by 43%, and we likely are likely to see that Google will gain more of the losses. But regulatory problems that Google is having is only going to be part of the challenges for Google. But the stock has really been surging for the last 5 days or so. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is another update. We are going to give another update of the market till when we meet. So if you like this video and this update, please subscribe to our channel, put on the notification button, the notification bell so that you don't miss our video, the update tomorrow. Thank you. Keep investing, keep growing.